Hi friends, this video shows how to mute mic on the PS5 controller. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First we need to press PS button on the controller. Let me press PS button. Then here we have to select mic. You can see right now I am using mic of the wireless controller. See. So here we can find mute option. So let me mute mic of the wireless controller. Done. So this way we can mute mic on the PS5 controller. After that, if you try to adjust mic level, let me go to adjust mic level. See, that is disabled. So let me go to settings, go to sound, microphone, then go to adjust microphone level, and here you can see this option has been disabled. Microphone level for microphone on controller. This is disabled because right now this microphone on mute. So this way we can mute a microphone on the PS5 controller. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.